Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Obviously, we know that the extreme heat and humidity is on the way for this weekend. We still have the Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for Sunday and Monday afternoon. Saturday almost could be a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day. It's still going to be really hot and humid. And then, of course, over that time frame through the weekend and early next week, a stray strong storm or two is possible. The chance is not very high, and I'll talk more about that here coming up in just a minute. But here's a look at how the temperatures play out. We're getting more of that south or southwest wind starting today, and that's going to continue through at least Monday. So temperatures are heating up. Mid to upper 80s for today. Our first shot at the 90s for tomorrow, and then should be the low to mid 90s for Sunday and Monday. After that, it's more of a north wind, and temperatures actually look pretty nice into the middle to end of next week as we drop down to the low 80s. But of course, humidity is the other part of the equation, and that's arguably the worst part about this. Pretty humid today already, and then a big jump up for the weekend and on Monday with dew points about the mid 70s. That's pretty tropical humidity, and that makes it harder to cool yourself down with sweat and so forth. So that's going to raise the heat index to about 100 to 105 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Again, we're really close to that Storm Track 7 yellow alert day criteria on Saturday. We'll definitely be in there for Sunday and Monday, feeling as hot as 105 there for Sunday afternoon. And then, of course, cooling down there a bit on Tuesday. Now, of course, with the rain and storm chances, it's basically a 10 or 20% chance through the weekend. An isolated storm possible tonight. We're not worried about severe weather with that. And then a 10% chance anywhere from Saturday through Sunday night. And really what we're looking at here is a much better chance for storms on the perimeter of our viewing area. But over the viewing area itself, it should be a very low to almost 0% chance that storms actually develop overhead. But the thing is, storms will likely develop off in northern Minnesota for Saturday night or Saturday evening, and then they're going to track to the southeast. And the extent of how far south they'll reach, well, that's what we're looking at here with that level 1 out of 5 for Saturday night. I would say it's a pretty low chance that we see any storms at all Saturday night. Same for Sunday night. Still a level 1 out of 5 risk, but it's a pretty low shot that we see those reaching our viewing area. Otherwise, Monday maybe a slightly better chance for some severe storms. It's a level 2 out of 5 for areas along and north of Highway 30. So we'll be watching out for that as a cold front will approach the area for Monday into Tuesday, which is, again, going to bring in some cooler air for next week. But high temperatures today should be the mid to upper 80s. We'll have a light southeast wind, mostly sunny skies, and it is going to be humid. So a nice day to hit the pool and maybe get some ice cream out there for today. Tonight, pretty warm and humid. Lows are in the mid to upper 60s, even some low 70s off in our southern counties. Only a 20% chance for a quick pop-up shower or storm. Otherwise, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. And for your city-by-city forecast, warming up through the weekend. Again, very low chances for rain or storms. Should be mostly sunny for the weekend for most of us. And really looking at the haze returning as well. We should see some wildfire smoke moving back into the upper levels of our atmosphere. So not just hot and humid, but also hazy for Saturday and Sunday. 20% chance for storms on Monday and Tuesday. After that, it's going to be partly cloudy, and it's going to look and feel a lot nicer. High temperatures, low 80s by the end of the work week.